Alrighty, before I get this dash thrown into the car, there's a few little things that I have to do first. For one, this dash harness came out of an '89 Galant GSR. And at the time, I thought I didn't have this dash harness, so I used it, and I figured the pinouts were going to be the same, but I'll show you here in a second. Alrighty, so the two other connectors, the pinout's the same, but on the bottom one, the top connector is my VR4 harness, and the bottom one is the '89 GSR. So the '89 GSR has a pin that the VR4 harness doesn't have, and that's these bottom three, the one on the top left, and the '89 harness doesn't have that pin in the middle on the right compared to my VR4 harness. And I'm pretty sure that pin is going to be something important. I'm not exactly sure what that goes to, but just to play it safe, I'm going to get that one swapped over because this one was in the car before. So yeah, let's get that done real quick. I can get the harness out. Alrighty, got the dash harness all put back in, and got these aftermarket, I think they're like speaker noise cancellation things for like alternator whine and stuff like that. I got them, tucked nicely so they won't, rattle everywhere. They're a little loose, but I have some foam tape on the back to prevent rattling sounds from happening. But yeah, the harness is pretty much good to go. But before I can put that in, I do want to get probably at least these front seats and possibly the rears out, because this carpet is soaked in mouse piss and shit. So I don't really want to smell like mouse shit and piss when I'm in here. So yeah, I'm gonna get this carpet. I might take it out, I might not, but I'm definitely going to get it shampooed as best as I can, and I'm going to clean up, all the mouse stuff that I find. So yeah, let's get into doing that. Alrighty, got the front seats and the rear bottom part of the seat fully out, and yeah, she's a little dirty. There's a mouse nest underneath the seat. That's new because I put that rear seat in about a year ago, so definitely new. So we're gonna get all this vacuumed out and then we'll get to shampooing. Alrighty, that's half the car done. It compressed the video into about 30 seconds, but that legitimately took me about an hour. This carpet was really nasty, so just got this side to do, but it's gonna be the same concept, but just doing this side, so I'm not gonna film it. So yeah, I'm gonna get to it. Alrighty, now the driver's side is all done. So now, as much as I want to get the interior thrown in here, it's almost midnight and the carpet is still a little damp, so I gotta let it dry overnight. So I'm gonna get a little space heater and a fan in here, and hopefully she'll be dry in the morning. Alrighty, it is now the next day and the carpet is nice and dry now for the most part. There's a few little spots that are a tiny bit damp still, but that is okay. So now today I need to get the rest of these interior parts all cleaned and ready to get installed into the car today, so I'm gonna go do that. Alrighty, did some of the final cleaning off camera, got the dash all cleaned off. It was pretty dusty, it's still drying a bit, but got the seats cleaned a little bit. I didn't have really the right cleaners, so I'll go back and clean those when I get the car up and going. But yeah, everything's ready to go into the car. So I'm gonna get started getting the dash in. Dash is all bolted in. It was fighting me a little bit because the dash is a little warped from sitting, you know, outside the car for years and years. So, but I got her to go in all nice and tight. So now I need to get all of the rest of the HVAC stuff put in, and I need to get my climate control unit put in. That's going to be a pain to do. And then the center console, and then all of the miscellaneous plastic interior pieces and the seats, and she'll be good to go. So let's get started. been a few hours since I last filmed. Well, here she is, pretty much all together. There's a couple little things that I still need to do, like I need to get a dimmer switch. I thought I had one, but I don't, so I need to get that in the bracket. And there's a little corner bracket that my friend has. He has an extra one for the corner of the dash and the corner of the glove box, so it's kind of flimsy. But besides that, everything is intact and as clean as can be. So the next thing that I got to do to this car now is I have to get the engine up and going, and it'll be probably a few months before I get started on that because I got a baby on the way here in the next few weeks. But other than that, she's ready to sit and rock and roll.